Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Gomora 1. The score is not a true reflection of the game. You know, there's a guy, I don't know if it's La on YouTube or somewhere else, or someone that I was talking to. RT. Some of these players, they want Cardoso gone. And then I was like, they can't stoop that low. But when you watch this game, then now manje soyayicabanga lento leya, but mina ngeke ngisho kanjalo. Scoreline is not a true reflection of the game. Sundowns should have killed this game in the first half. So we're gonna look at Ushaulile, we're gonna look at how Sundowns set up, and we're gonna look at the changes that were made by Cardoso in the second half. And show you. But first, before I show you guys, I want to say thank you for the support. Please like, please share my Facebook, but most importantly, please subscribe. Now, the first minute, right? The first minute of the game. Oh, the guy who coach in Gomora used to coach me 22 years ago while he was still playing. Masekabon ukuthi career kizophela, that's when he started coaching. He used to coach me. I won't tell you for which team, but let's go. So the moment I saw this, the moment Sundowns ipasa phakathi nendawo, I just knew ukuthi izo win, because they want to play in the middle, so you can't give a player in space. But I'm showing you this. The most important thing, guys, the most important thing in football, or when you are playing, if you're a team that likes to play, you have to make the right first touch or second touch. If you don't, then it means we have to start over. Because this first touch was bad. Let me take it back. Utsiki here, he played well. He had a very good game. He played first half, but this touch was bad. Could have trapped the ball, but now you know. But the Sundowns, remember the past two games, I've said Guti, they changed the formation. They were playing a 4-3-3. In this game, they went back to a 4-2-3-1. Guys, I'm going to show you clips, maybe 5 or 6. Aga Shaulile making a good run or not making a good run. For me, it's time to let go. If you're a Sundowns supporter and you are Mthandu Shaulile, it's time to let go. He doesn't make the right runs as a striker. And I understand, Guti, sometimes he wants to score, but you have to make the right movement so that your teammates can also score. It's time to let go. Nakia, this is the first one. The understanding between you, there needs to be an understanding between the fullbacks and the striker. Look at Mudiba, he's complaining. Why is he complaining? Because Ushaulile, he makes the run. The problem with Ushaulile is he wants to be in line with the strikers. You know, there's no need for you to be in line or in front, because if he plays the ball first time, you are going to be offside. Why Fuluguba in front of a defender? Instead of being here, as soon as he controls the ball, you start making your run. Because I'm a defender ngeke ball. But if you are here, Aubrey can't play it. He can't play it first time because he can see Uguti, he is offside. Eh? Then what does he do? He wants to come back here. No, stay here. Your teammate will get the ball here. But when Yena he wants to come here. Why? You see, he's complaining. There's no need for you to use a penalty spot. Nakia, here he makes that run. Uti sharp. Perfect. This was perfect. Nakia. Nakia. It's like ushawulile athi umntwana omncane ingena ngapha iphuma ngapha. Watch. What are you doing? What are you doing? Mara bafethu. I don't know ukuthi this thing he was taught kahle because iyangena iyaphuma. 1 minute he does the right thing, the next minute wenze enye into. There was no need for him to make this run here. Come here. Yeah? You come here and then you make the run there. But when he vice versa, then what is he doing? Ipola is la where he was supposed to be. Nakia, 1 minute he does the right thing, the next minute ayenze enye into. This is the run that he's supposed to make. This is the run that he's supposed to make. But I'm not going to analyze this Gaku because I'm going to be wasting his cutscene, guys. Yes, he makes the run, but still nala kusasene inkinga. It's just that kuzoba ngathi ngiyam attack Hashem. Kuzoba ngathi ngiyam attack Hashem. Nakia, here's another one. Guys, I can show you ama clips amaningi kaShawulile. He makes the run. Sometimes it's the wrong run. Ziningi, even second half. Too many of them. Manganibonisa wona angeke sicede. Even though Sundowns was supposed to kill iGomora first half, right? But iGomora had moments where decision making yabo ibashayile decision making yabo. It just shows ukuthi they are not a Premier League team. This was a counter-attack. Counter-attack, it's 4 against 1. Bad pass. My man. This was a bad pass. Imagine 4 against 1. Nakia, another moment. Gomora. Even though who is this? Even though he's a central midfielder, he was playing as a right back. You still need to do the basics. That's why guys, as a player, even if you're goalkeeper, you must know the positioning. Your player okay, they're supposed to be there. Right back one game. You know the basics. Why do you want to press this guy and then open up his space? Why? Why? This was a moment for Gomora. Unfortunately for him, yes, he was pulled, but his first touch was bad. Mara Aubas. Noma senkundile izinto enizenzayo azikho right. Imagine if this guy, just think about it, Uguti. If he was, if he was smart, but had he decided Guti, ithingiwe, ngafuna ukuqina because ngifuna ukuyokora. Let me take a dive. It's a red card. Nabatla ukora . I always say in most goals that are scored or conceded, there's always a warning before that goal. Sundowns gave them a warning. But this time, because the game was still early, they covered this situation very well. There was cover in this situation. Even though they almost scored, but there was cover. I've shown you the warning. Here comes the goal. There's no cover here. There's no cover. It's one-on-one. You cannot have that. This guy is supposed to come here. This one who's Mela Azila. This one who's a cover la. Penalty spot. But one-on-one, come on. You can't do that. Inside. Phakathi inside. In football or any professional sport, which is a team sport, when you're given a chance to play, you have to take it. Whether una 2 months ungadlali or a year or 2 days, you have to take that chance. Because if you are given that opportunity to ukudlala and then you don't use it, ufuna yiphi chance? Yes, abanye abantu bazothukoza he needs to be given game time. No, it does not work like that, guys. You have to be on your toes all the time. You have to show ukuthi ufuna ukudlala. And because the way he plays the game, the way he plays the game or his style of play, it's like ngathi akafuna ukudlala. If you are like that, right? If you are like that, then you must not make a mistake like this. He had a bad game. He had a bad game. Even the pass yakantanga nayo. Hey. Mara mfana kithi. Mara mfana kithi. I'll tell you the problem yakhe. I'll tell you the problem yakhe. The problem yakhe. He likes to let the ball roll past him. You must, no, you can't. You have to trap the ball, then you pass it. Yeah. Even this pass was not good. But let me show you. He likes to let the ball roll past him. Nakia, this is Sundowns versus Richards Bay. Why do you let the ball roll? You must trap the ball, then you pass it. Trap the ball, then you pass it. If you are going to let the ball roll past you, you are going to be in trouble. And 2 times, 2 times, phakathi inside. Second half, guys. Second half, Sundowns made changes. Yeah, because they needed to win the game. They could have won it first half, but they didn't. I always say I like coaches that adapt to a situation during a game. Makipe Aubas was playing on the right back. He played right back because bebamnikeza ama minutes, not because he's strategy. No, that's why having a big squad is not easy. Meaning you have to play players out of position because they need minutes in their legs. Now I'm going to show you the tactical change, right? Before I show you, again, thank you for the support. Please like, please share, please subscribe. The biggest is subscribing. I want you to focus on Umurem, right? The difference between Uawas and Nomurena, sorry, not Umurem. Umuren, right? Umurena makes runs behind the defenders. Uphakamisa izandla. He doesn't get the ball. He doesn't get the correct pass. He doesn't get the correct pass. Let me take it back. Khona uzoyibona kahle. Focus there. Uphakamisa izandla useklasini. He wants to give the answer. Here's another one. Watch. Look at Umurena and look at Cardoso. Cardoso is telling Umurena to make that run behind. But because he's a center back, he's not actually looking to play a diagonal pass. Then the ball gets played, but it's too late now. It's too late. Bayadlala, it's still gonna happen. Focus on Umurena. Phakamisa izandla. Phakamisa izandla usemoyeni, phakamisa izandla emoyeni. Now here comes the goal. Uthapelo Umurena bekaloku aphakamisa izandla afuna ukubanikeza i-answer. Simple, guys. That was simple. Tactical adjustment. Whether you bring in a player or whether you move players, those are tactical adjustments. That's why I like Cardoso. Right? I like you guys as well by watching the channel, but I like you even more if you subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.